Mama Maids is proud to partner with Cleaning for a Reason. Cleaning for a Reason provides free home cleaning to patients battling cancer. When cancer makes life at home difficult, the compassionate and caring team at Mama Maids come together to support cancer patients and their families. Any man, woman, or child battling cancer may apply for this benefit. We clean the homes of cancer patients to provide hope, relief, control, and cleanliness. Mama Maids knows that cleaning services are limited here in rural Iowa and are here to provide you with residential and commercial cleaning services. We service Marion County, Mahaska County, Davis County, Jasper County, Wapello County, and more. Call or text 641-651-0350. Visit www.mamamaids.com for a quote or more information.